Get some mustard. Lego my ego.
Expired. It's already expired.
Already?
That one.
No wonder why. They put it on sale because it expired. We got Lawish. Let's see. What's this? How much are you? Ah, it's not. It's still $26. Still expensive. Sale, not so sale.
It's a fake sale.
It's a fake sale. Meg, you're not gonna fool us. We're a smart buyer. Wala ka namang matcha. No, that's what. That's for matcha, right?
Hindi natin binili yung ano natin, yung coffee machine na ano, dahil walang kape ng ano eh.
Coffee machine, man. Sana all.
Can you show
How
me?
much is that? $1.99? Right?
Yeah,
$1.99?
no, not 199.
Three.
100. Do you need Ziploc, dear? Look, they got Zupels.
Super.
Now I'm grown up to buy my own Zupels. You ready? Oh, for Ate Ayos, baby, hold on.
Oh.
Yung Ajax? Ajax? Grabe naman. Ito. Maybe I'll just wait for the baby to come out.
Yes.
This is what I'm gonna buy your baby.
You're gonna base it on what the baby looks like.
As soon as the baby comes out, I'm like, wait, I know the code for you.
If the baby looks like he wants toys, we buy toys. The baby likes milk, we buy milk.
Or buy milk.
We'll see what he wants. It's baby Torio. Ah, baby Torio, do you like this?
Or buy baby clothes. Let's see how much it is. Oh, they're gonna love this baby giraffe. I think Ate Aya will have enough space in the nursery.
Okay, nalobat na tayo, Meg. Say bye to the vlog. It's dying. Ay, ay, ay. And red.